Hello +1 class, welcome again to A to Z Education by Joginder sir. So today students we will discuss some numerical that are based on the vector additions. So earlier we have discussed all the articles related to that of vector additions. So let's discuss some numerical based on vector additions. So as we know, the formulas of resultant in case of vector addition is formula used for resultant R is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos of angle theta root. That is the formula for the resultant, right? So we will use this formula to find out the value of two numericals. So first numerical we have is the two forces, one is 5 Newton and other is 20 Newton, are acting at an angle of 120 degree. Find the magnitude of their resultant. There are two forces are given, one is of 5 Newton and second one is 20 Newton, and we have to find out their magnitude when they are inclined at an angle of 120 degree, right? So we will use the formula of resultant R. Here we can assume the force first force, that is of 5 Newton, as A, and second force of 20 Newton as V, and can apply the formula to find out the resultant. So let's start here. This is the solution for first. Here F1 is given, that is 5 Newton. F2 is given, that is 20 Newton, and here theta 120 degree. So we have to find out the resultant of these forces. So let's assume that F is the resultant of these two forces. Then we will apply the formula. F is equal to A square means F1 square plus B square, B square here F2 square plus 2AB F1 F2 cos of angle theta and its square root. Now we can put the value here. 5 Newton, 5 square means 25. You can use like this, 5 square F2 20 square plus 2 into F1, it's 5 into 20 and cos of angle 120 degree and its root. So F is equal to 25 plus square of 20 is 400 and 5 to the 10, 2200, and cos 120 is minus 1 by 2, right? So value will be 200 upon minus 2 means minus 100, right? It is like this because it comes out to be 200 into cos 120. Cos 120's value is minus 1 by 2. Cancel out, so it becomes minus 100 because cos 120 degree is equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So it comes out to be by calculation it comes out to be 325, right? And the root of this comes out to be equal to 18.03 Newton. So that is the resultant of these two forces that we have to find. So that is the required result. The resultant of these two forces, 5 Newton and 20 Newton, which are inclined at an angle 120 degree, their magnitude of resultant will be 18.03 0.03 newtons. Right. Now next come to second numerical, that is two equal forces have their resultant equal to either at what angle they are inclined. Now the forces are equal, clear, and their magnitude is also, magnitude of resultant is also equal to one of their forces, right? Then we have to find out the angle in which they are inclined, clear. So it's a very simple question again. Here solution for second. Here F1, suppose F1 is equal to F, F2 is equal to F, and given their resultant is also equal to either of the force, that is R is equal to also F, clear. We have to find out the angle in which they are inclined. So simple questions, again we will use the formula R is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. A is F, F square, B is F again, F square plus 2AB, F into F cos of angle theta and its root. So F square plus F square, it will become 2F square plus again 2F square cos of angle theta and its root, clear. Here 2F square can be taken as common, so 2F square, it comes out to be 1 plus cos of angle theta and root, clear. Now R is also F, so its F is equal to 2F square. F square can comes out of the root, so it becomes F, and there is 2 plus 1, 2 into 1 plus cos theta inside the square root, right? So here F and F are cancelled each other, so we will have the value 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta root. Now squaring both side, we can square both side now. Squaring both side, so what will happen, it comes out to be 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 1 2 plus 2 cos theta, clear. Or you can say it comes out to be 2 cos of angle theta is equal to this goes to the other side and becomes minus 2, and minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So cos theta comes out to be minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2 is the value of cos theta when it is at an angle of 120 degree. Already we discussed here. So it implies theta is equal to 120 degree. So that is the required answer for the numerical number second, in which two equal forces have their resultant equal to either and at what angle they are inclined. Clear, students? Now let's move to our next numerical. It's a numerical number third. At what angle the two forces, force one is given P plus Q and other one is P minus Q, act so that their resultant is this one. So the forces and their resultant is given and you have to find out the angle. So here the solution of this numerical is, here F1 is given P plus Q, f2 is equal to p minus q, and resultant is also given. It is 3p square plus q square root. Clear? So these are the conditions which we have to apply. f1 is p plus q, f2 is p minus q, and the resultant 3p square plus q square. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the angle. So firstly we will apply the formula. Formula is what? As we know, resultant of two vector, resultant of two vectors r is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos of angle theta and root. So we will apply the values here. Here r is equal to 3p square plus q square root, right? And the other values are a square. A means p plus q whole square plus b square p minus q whole square plus 2ab. 2a we have p plus q into b p minus q into cos of angle theta and root. So as there is square root on the both side of the equation, so it is cancelled. So we will have the values now. 3p square plus q square is equal to p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square plus 2p plus q into p minus q cos of angle theta. So we can apply the formula here. 3p square plus q square here becomes the formula of a plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square, b is q, plus 2ab 2pq. Again we can apply the formula here. P square plus q square minus 2pq, then plus here again it becomes a formula a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, 2 into p square minus q square cos of angle theta, right? 2pq and minus 2pq are cancelled to each other. So here becomes p square plus q square means 2p square plus 2q square, right? So we can put it as 2p square plus 2q square plus 2p square minus q square cos of angle theta is equal to 3p square plus q square. Clear? So we can solve these equations. It will become 2p square, on the other side become minus 2p square, then 3p square minus 2p square is equal to p square, and it become minus 2q square and q square means minus q square and equal to 2p square minus q square cos of angle theta. Clear? Now p square minus q square cancel, so that means it becomes cos of angle theta is equal to, or you can say 2 cos theta angle is equal to 1, or cos of angle theta is equal to 1 by 2, and the angle at which the cos has 1 by 2 value, and that angle is 60 degree. It implies theta is equal to 60 degrees. So that is the required answer. So the two forces must get inclined at an angle of say 60 degree when their resultant is 3p square plus q square root. Clear, students? So I hope you all understand these topics, these numericals. So go through all such type of numericals from your notebooks, and if there are any problem you can comment. So thank you, have a nice day.